So I was unsure as to when to harvest my onions. So I went on our friend's YouTube and come across Emma Gardner's video. It's done a long time ago, where he says when they fold over like this, when they've bent, that is when to harvest, like that. This one here is not ready because it's still solid and going up. This one, even though this one is going to the side, it is not bent. It's on its way to bend, but it's not bent like this one is. You can really tell the bend in that one. So this stalk is still, this stem is still solid, so we don't harvest that one. So let's see what I get. Oh my god, I've never grown onions before. This is awesome. This one's tiny, but I'll take it. This one. Oh my goodness, I've got onions. This is the first year I have successfully grown onions, and they are fantastic size. Look at that. And by harvesting this way and not all at the same time, you look at that one. You see it? It's come to nothing. He's not even grown. But by harvesting this way, you give the others a bit more space to do their thing. These little bits. I'll just use the little onions. I'll just use 2 at a time when I'm doing my recipes. Yeah, it's when they're like that. You've just got nothing left in their thing, they're just all flopped over. That is when they're ready to harvest. And again, like I said, harvesting this way gives the rest of them room to continue their growing. That one's definitely over. And also it gives you space to dry them. Because I'll take this one out, it's tiny. I'll take him. Because who has the space to sew, like, not sew, to dry out this many onions? I certainly don't. Anyway. Bucket? What's that? Oh, you're nicking one of my buckets? He's nicking one of my buckets. Here are my onions. Oh, time to get them on a rack to dry in this sweltering sunshine. So as this was the first year of me growing a decent onion crop, this isn't even half of it, I didn't really have a concrete plan as to how to dry them because I wasn't sure I was going to get any. But Mr. G and I took down the shelving that we used in the polytunnel for seed sowing, and then it was free to use. So here is my makeshift onion drying rack. It looks awesome, and I'm not going to string these because I'm not sure how to. And I've seen lots of people do videos on it, but their hands are all over it, so I can't exactly see what's happening on the string. So, and I've got a larder and I've got baskets that I can put onions in and they'll stay absolutely perfect. So it's not a problem, but yay! Look at my onions! Anyway guys, hope you're staying safe and you're all well. And I will see you all next time. Bye for now. So, I've come up with a better idea. My onions have been drying on the old seedling shelf now for about 2 days. But every night I am bringing them in to the polytunnel. So I thought, meh, this is too much work. I can't be bothered to be doing this every night and bringing it back out again in the morning. So, cable ties, old rabbit run side panel, drying onions. Look how perfect this works. And look how beautiful it is. Looks like the craziest spider on the planet. But yeah, this is going to work awesome because it's hot in here. It'll dry it out nicely. It's dry in here because I keep the doors open. We water in the mornings on the ground so it won't get wet. And these guys can just sit here happily for a couple of weeks, 3 weeks, until they are nice and dry. I can add a few more here. I do have some more to go. So I can add a few more. There's more than this can actually hold, to be honest. So I am still going to use my shelving unit, which is here. So I've emptied that, left it there because I know I'm going to use it for the rest of my onions. But that's fine. You know, I can do what I can do with what I got. Anyway, just thought I'd update you on my snazzy new onion drying rack. Don't know about you. I think that is awesome.